For this presentation, I chose to address Prompt 5, in which I visited the free technology toolkit for UDL and selected 5 tools featured on the website. The first tool I selected was the Awesome Highlighter. This tool highlights text on a web page and then saves the highlighted information to a URL and can be sent to your email address. This study tool can help students focus on their online readings and research, and it allows them to pull verbatim information from websites or online articles to use for later studying or research purposes. The second tool I chose to address was the Recall Plus. It's a free downloadable instrument for students to create mind mapping tools to organize and visualize their notes. Here they can create flashcards, 3D schemas of their annotations. It's very easy to use and allows the students to use creative methods as another modality for learning. The third tool I addressed was the WordTalk 4.2. This is a free downloadable tool that highlights and converts the text of a document into audible speech. This speech can then be saved as a MP3 file so that it can be played back on an iPod or other MP3 player. This tool would be very useful for students with reading or vision difficulties in any setting. Regular education would also benefit from this technology, as reading, hearing, and writing information would help solidify the learning process. The Wacky Web Tales was the fourth tool I addressed. This tool is a fun and educational tool for students learning sentence parts and word types. It's an online Mad Lab type of activity where the students plug in anything from nouns to verbs, adjectives, and more advanced word types. This could serve as a warm-up or homework activity for students and will help students build their vocabularies and knowledge of sentence structures. The final tool I chose to address was the Paperator. This tool, intended primarily for high school students, offers grammar and spell checking for written documents. Another useful and vital component includes the plagiarism detection tool. This could come in handy for students when writing essays and research papers in order to avoid illegal use. This would also come in handy for